Okay, the market seems to be topping out currently. You want to stay in it, but you want to be protected from a market crash, all right? A couple of ways you can do that. I'm going to show you right now how you can protect yourself and still make money if the market crashes, right? Very powerful trade. Let's get going. All right, if you've been following this channel, you know that I follow the SPY, which is the index ETF of the S&P 500, and I also follow the QQQ, which is an index ETF of the NASDAQ index, okay? And I track them and I exploit their movements to make large amounts of money from the stock market, okay? Right now, the market is at what most believe is a high, including myself, and I'm going to show you how to position yourself so you can continue to make money if this market goes up, but you can also protect yourself so if this thing starts to crash, you're not going to go down as hard and you're still going to make money during the crash, all right? So let's just look at this thing right now. Quick review. We're going to say, okay, here's the S&P 500 right now, okay? We're just going to draw this line across its tops. We're going to say, okay, this thing's been topping. We're going to go here. We're going to go back to these two highs. We'll just go back this far, okay? Yeah, this thing's been topping out. You know, this was the high. It came down during 2022. The market rallied up some more. It topped out here, and then it crashed for the crash of 2025, and now it's come back up. And now it's gone above this topping line into an area that myself and a bunch of other people are saying is overpriced, over exuberant, whatever you want to call it, overbought. But it's in an area where we all believe it's ready to come down, okay? And if it does, it may not. It may stay up. It may continue to go up, right? It may just continue on this line. Let me draw it out here. It may just continue to go up like this, right? There's nobody that says it can't. So if it does, you want to be on that train and enjoy that ride higher and higher, okay? But if it starts to come down this way, right? If it starts to come down like this, well, you want to limit that loss, but also be able to make money at the same time. Well, there's a couple easy ways to do that, right? And it's called deleverage, which would just basically say, hey, get out of some of your high beta stocks and get into low beta stocks so you don't go down as hard with the market. Right? The other way would be, hey, go to cash. That means sell part of your positions, maybe have 70% in the market and take 30% out. So when the market goes down, you don't go down as hard. Then you can buy back in when it gets down here. That would be another way of doing it. Some people go half and half cash, or you could go all cash if you're, if you really are confident that the market's going to go down very soon. You could go to 100% cash and then buy back in down here. But a better way, in my opinion, is to mitigate your risk, right? You could say, hey, I want to go down with it. I don't want to go down as much as it does. But if it goes up, I want to make sure I go up with it all the way. So how can I do that? Well, there's instruments now that allow us to do that weren't available years ago. And they're called index ETFs that are income based, right? They're income ETFs based on an index. The one I like to use is SPY-I. Okay, SPY-I is an index ETF of the S&P 500, but it also is managed to where they sell covered calls against the index holdings, and they generate income selling those covered calls, and they pay them back to you in the form of a dividend. And the reason I like this, it's about a 0.7 delta to the market. And what that means is if the market goes down 20%, this is going to go down less. It's going to go down only about 70% of that movement. So it'll go down, we'll say 14%. If the market goes down 10, it'll only go down 7. So it's going to go down less, right? But if the market goes up, it's going to go up less as well. So you're kind of hedging your bet here, saying, gee, if the market goes up, I'm not going to go up as much as it does. But if it goes down, I'm not going to go down as much as it does either. Well, where's the benefit of that? Well, the benefit is in that income, right? So now, if you're getting this dividend, you're going down less than the market and also getting paid a dividend at the same time, right? Everybody who's owning the market is going down with the market. You're going down less than the market and getting paid every single month, 1% basically, in the form of a dividend. Very powerful, right? You're beating the market. You're beating it by a lot. You're getting 1% on your money every month when everybody else is losing money, right? And the amount they're losing, you're losing less. And then when it recovers, and we know it will recover because the S&P always recovers, always has since the inception of the stock market, it's recovered over time. So you know you're going to get made whole again, and you're going to get to keep all that income that you generated during that time. Now, once you're confident that the market's going to continue up, sure, then it would be prudent to get out of SPY-I and maybe go back to SPY or some of your regular holdings and just continue to follow that up higher again. All right, but this is a hedge play. It's a very smart move to do at the top of a market if you believe we're at the top of a market. I have a course that you can download. It's at the top of the description. I also have a free guide you can follow along for what the market is going to do next. I use a volatility-based system that guides me through my trades, right? And if you wanted to join my membership, it's also available. You would see what positions I'm holding as the market ebbs and flows and transitions from phase to phase. Are a very powerful way of trading to extract large amounts of money out of the market. But this is one example I'm showing you today on how you can protect yourself. You can buy the SPY eye, right? SPY eye right here. So if the market goes down, and let's just say, just to give you an example, let's just say the market goes down this much, right? Where you're holding this instrument, where you're only going to go down this much, right? So you're not going to go down as far as everybody else. And that's very powerful. And let me show you why. And that's because when the market recovers, right? Let's say down here, you get a recovery signal. If you follow my course, you'll know when it's ready to turn back up. And now everybody else is going to go back up. So they're going to go back up from here, back up to there, right? Well, now they're even again, right? They went from there. Let me just draw a line here so you get to understanding here, 100% understand. So they went, there's a green line. They went from here down to here. That was the market crash. Now over time, the market recovers. They recover to here. Well, if you follow my trading strategies, you would come down less. You would come down to here. And then when the market recovered, you would go up just as much as them. But let me show you where you'd be, because you would have started here, right? You wouldn't have come down this low. You would have only come down to here. So you would be here. So when everybody is back to even, you would be above even by a lot, actually. You would have beat the market pretty significantly. Now, how would that have happened? Because you would have leveraged into a different instrument that came in. Down here, you get out of this instrument that goes down slower, and you get into one that goes down faster. Or you know what? There's other ones that go up twice as fast or 3 times as fast or more. So imagine if you came down slower, and then when it went up, you went up faster. Let's just say you only went up twice as fast, right? And I can show you how to do that in my course as well. Now you're going to go up to there. So when everybody else has went down and recovered, you went down less. You've recovered twice as much because you're switched to a leveraged instrument, and you went up to there. But there's other ways you can get, watch some of my other videos, you can get other leverage instruments. You've probably heard of triple index ETFs. Well, if you would have bought one of those down there, then you would have went up triple what the market did on recovery. So now you would have went up like that, okay? And that's very realistic. The market goes down. They all went down. You went down with it. You went down a little bit less. At the same time, you're getting paid this dividend every month during this decline, right? And then when it recovered, where you didn't go as low, so you recovered from a lower spot, it went back to even for everybody in the market. Well, you went back the same amount, but it put you above even because you didn't go down as far to begin with. Then you went to a leveraged product that didn't just bring you up. It brought you up 3 times faster, right? You leveraged. Now you went up 3 times faster. You went way up to here. Very powerful trades. I hope I'm being clear here and I'm making sense. Very powerful once you learn how this works. Again, I invite you to subscribe, like this channel if you enjoy this type of trading. Check out my course, check out my free guide, check out my membership. It's all in the description. You can follow along, see my trades, see what positions I'm in every month. And I think you're going to be very happy with the results. It's a very powerful, easy to follow trading system. All right. Don't be intimidated by the market. Master the market, exploit the market, make a lot of money. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.